friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I'm a Seint beauty artist, and today I'm going to be taking you through the reasons why I love the Seint products specifically for dry skin. So for those of you who have followed me for a while, you know that I have very, very dry skin. I'm normal around my outer area of my face, but I'm very, very dry in my T-zone. I get flakes, and it's just very, very dry. Regardless if it's the summer, winter, it doesn't matter, I'm very, very dry. So I've struggled for years and years to find a foundation that worked well with my dry skin. And if you go back through my YouTube channel, you will see how many foundations I have tried out. Now, what's crazy to me is this foundation or this system, the Seint system, I've been using for 2 years, over 2 years. I have never used a foundation for this long in my whole entire life. That is how much I love it, and that is why I decided to become a Seint beauty partner, because I really, really believe that this product is amazing and it has completely transformed my makeup routine. So some of the things that has in it, I don't want to call it skincare, but it has some skincare-like properties. It's got paraffin and petroleum in it, which are natural emollients. It's got beeswax, it's got titanium dioxide. So it's going to moisturize, it's going to condition, and it's going to provide sun protection. Now, what I notice on the days that I don't wear my makeup, my skin is more flaky, it is more dry. On the days that I wear my Seint makeup, it's almost like it locks in my skincare and creates a barrier from all like pollution, light pollution and all the crap that's out in the air. It's like it protects my skin, and my skin looks better on the days that I wear my Seint products than it does on even the days when I'm masking and I'm doing all, the skincare things and everything. So I like to wear it every single day just because I do find that my skin really, really enjoys it. So those are some of the reasons why I absolutely love it, specifically for dry skin. It's great for mature skin for those fine lines and wrinkles because it's not gonna set. It's simple and easy. In this video, I'm going a little bit more in depth, but usually I just slap it on and kind of walk out the door. It is super easy. You literally carry everything in one compact. You have one brush, that's all you need. It's great for travel, it's affordable, and it gives you this beautiful, radiant, natural coverage. You can mattify it down if you don't want that dewiness, or you can leave it dewy like my skin is right now, and it's just awesome. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to link the jot form down below. If you are interested in getting a 100% customized color matching, please fill out the jot form below. And what I will do is I will send you an email with some of the specific colors that I recommend for you. We can kind of talk through troubleshooting, and I can give you some tips and tricks. But I absolutely love this makeup, and I think that you will love it too. So please leave any comments below, any questions. Until next time, bye.